All right, y'all. Today we got another sub sandwich, and we gonna rate this junk 1 through 10. Y'all already know what I got, cause I said I was gonna get it again. I got that tuna. I got tuna, but this time I made a tuna melt. I made a tuna melt sub. A tuna melt sub. I hate that Subway got rid of the wraps. Um, they got rid of the wraps because they felt like it'd be. They thought that it would be cheaper, to just what is this? A piece of the broken wrap. There it is, right there. To just make this into a wrap. Flatbread, use a flatbread as a wrap. Um, and I'm gonna wash it down with my liquid death. Wash it down. We got a tuna melt sub. We're here on my tuna melt sub. I got bacon, American cheese, jalapenos, um, cucumbers, banana peppers, and mustard and mayo. So let's go ahead and try it out. Look at it right there. Look at that. I hope y'all got a good whiff of it. Like, just look at it right there. All right, let's do it. Mm, mm, mm. Okay. That's actually pretty good. And I got tomatoes on here too, y'all. I almost forgot. Tomatoes. Mm, okay. A tuna melt sub, y'all. That's good. That's good. We're gonna give it a I'm really gonna give it a 8.5. I'm gonna give it 8.5. Cause I feel like it's missing something. Cause I'm gonna be honest, I've never had a tuna melt before, but I feel like this is missing something. But I'm gonna give it 8.5. 8.5.